Hi guys, I'm Kimwemwe and today we're at the Green Spoon Kitchen Studio and we're going to be making some creamy chicken and mashed potatoes. For the chicken marination, we're going to be using some paprika, onion powder, black pepper, all from Tropical Heat, some natural yogurt from Lucky Lucky, some beef cubes, salt, cooking oil, garlic ginger paste, and let's start marination. A teaspoon of black pepper, tablespoon of paprika, tablespoon of onion powder, teaspoon of salt, 1 crushed beef cube, some natural yogurt, quarter cup of cooking oil, teaspoon of garlic ginger paste. We are now going to mix the ingredients and we are going to make sure that they're all coated very well and they have achieved a very beautiful color. If it's not, you're going to adjust the spices. Once you get this consistency, you're going to let your meat rest for at least 30 minutes in the refrigerator.
A few moments later.
Add some oil to your pan and swirl it. Add your chicken in. Let it cook on each side for 3 minutes. You might want to check on your chicken to prevent it from burning. After cooking the first side for 3 minutes, flip it. Look at that beautiful color. After 6 to 8 minutes, your chicken should be done. You're going to remove it and set it aside and let it rest. And we're going to begin on our sauce now. We're going to make our sauce. We're going to start by adding some oil to a pan. Adding your onions. Adding 5 cloves of crushed garlic. Half a teaspoon of salt. Quarter teaspoon black pepper. Quarter teaspoon paprika. Add in your natural yogurt. A third cup of milk. 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. I'm going to add in a tablespoon of corn flour. Add in your corn flour slurry to the pan. Add in your chicken. Let it simmer for 3 minutes.
A few moments later.
After simmering for 3 minutes, we're going to garnish with some coriander. And guys, that is how you make your creamy chicken and mashed potatoes. Remember, all these products are readily available on the Green Spoon app and the website. So guys, I'm going to have a bite of this and we're going to try it together. All I can say is you all really need to try out this recipe. Thanks for watching and bye.